dear students. Here I am Nikita ma'am, your geography teacher. Students, today we are going to discuss about the second landforms of the Indian peninsula, which we called as the Great Plain of North India. In the last video we discussed about the mountain ranges of India, mainly Himalayas, okay, and we studied about their division. And today we'll discuss about the second major most important landform of India, that is the Great Plain of North India. Okay, so this plain, as you can see in the map, lies to the south of Himalayas. Okay, here we have Shivalik ranges of Himalayas, and at the end of this, or we can say at the foothills of Himalayas, starts this Great Northern Plains of India. Okay, as the rivers come down from the Himalayas and then deposit and flow down in these plains. Hence, these plains are very fertile, and alluvial soil is present in these plains, which makes them very suitable for agriculture. Okay, so hence we call them the Great Plains of North India. So the plains have been formed by the depositional work of three major river systems, that is the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. Okay, as we all know that plains are a vast stretch of land which are irrigated by a river system and have very fertile land. Okay, so these plains of northern India have been formed by rivers coming down from the Himalayas, the Indus, okay, then the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. These are three main river systems which form this. This is river Indus, here is river Ganga, and here we have river Brahmaputra. Okay, so these three main rivers form the Great Plains of North India. Okay, these vast plains can be divided into following regions. We divide them into four important regions. Okay, first is the Rajasthan plain. Okay, it lies towards the Thar desert, the great Indian Thar desert, and it covers the western Rajasthan, adjoining parts of Pakistan. Here you can see this is the boundary of Rajasthan and the adjoining parts of Pakistan. Okay, this is called the Rajasthan plain. Okay, here we have the Rajasthan plain, and the most important river here in this plain is the river Luni, okay, which is the only seasonal stream present in the Thar desert area. Okay, now next we have the Punjab Haryana plain, that is the most fertile and most important from the agricultural point of view. So this is the western part of North Indian plain, which has been formed by, here it is the western part, okay, and it has been formed by, as the name suggests, Punjab. Punjab means it has been irrigated by five rivers itself, named Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas and Satluj. Okay, so these five rivers form this Punjab Haryana plain. Okay, and basically it is formed of the Doabs. Okay, what is Doab? It is a land between two rivers. Okay, next we have the Ganga plain. This is the largest unit of the Great Plain, stretching from Delhi to Kolkata in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Bengal. As you can see, western part is limited, but now the vast plain extends up to Uttar Pradesh, then Bihar and up to Bengal and northeast. Okay, so this all area is covered by Ganga and Brahmaputra. Okay, we'll study right now we are studying the Ganga plain. So this Ganga is going from here, Uttar Pradesh, then Bihar here, and then to the Kolkata, okay, West Bengal. Now we will study about the Brahmaputra plain. Okay, that is the last division of the Great Plains of Northern India. Okay, and the most important rivers we skipped in this Ganga plain. Important rivers are Yamuna, means first of all it is Ganga, then its tributaries like Yamuna, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi. Okay, and some peninsular rivers also extend up to here, which are the Chambal, Betwa, Ken and Son. Okay, now Brahmaputra plain is also known as the Brahmaputra valley or Assam valley. Okay, Assam valley because most of its part lies in the Assam plain. Okay, most of the Brahmaputra valley is situated in Assam, and it forms the easternmost unit of the Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plain. So this is Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plain, and this is the eastern part of the Ganga Brahmaputra plain. Okay, this is river Brahmaputra coming from here and forming the eastern unit of the Indo-Ganga Brahmaputra plain. Okay.